Good afternoon. I'm Gaurav Vaidya from Pradesh Bhagwati College of Engineering. Our project is the design analysis of multi-operational agri-robot with renewable energy source. Coming to the introduction part, the main aim of agriculture robotics is to apply new techniques in agriculture so that the extra efforts of farmers could be less. So our aim to develop this project that it should perform all the operations like automatic seeding, pesticide sprayer, fertilizer sprayer, crop cutting, etc. It also provides manual as well as auto control if it is properly designed at that level. Agriculture was always key, and to uh, perform research in that sector to improve the robotics and technologies is always in scope. So coming to the objective, the main objective is to prepare an efficient and cost effective system, because there is always a lot of costly machines available in the market. We have to implement the existing technology as well and show some innovative ideas so that we can implement it on that machine. Yes, of course, to make use of human power to reduce pollution, to prepare an efficient and cost effective system is always a primary objective. These are some costly sewing machine which cannot be affordable by middle class or poor farmers in India. So basically, traditionally, farmers used to spray fertilizers manually. Then after that, weeding tractor and other heavy machines came into the picture. But that's coming to the project part. The components that we used in projects are the DC motor with a runner wheel, couple of DC gear motors we have used for seed dropping. DC pump is also there for a pesticide sprayer. Solar panel, of course, for is a source of power, and also chassis to fit all those things on it. This is the let's go quick overview of some components that we used a DC gear motor with a runner wheel used for the cutting operation. We use high RPM, that's why motor is of high RPM. Now DC motor with the seed dropping cylinder. There is a funnel like structure. We are going to drop seeds from there so that after the sowing operation. Also this is DC pump for the pesticide spray. It should be enough, there should be enough force for the pesticide to go across the selected area. Also this is the blower fan that is also used for the pesticide sprayer. Working system is very easy, and also it is very good. That we all know sewing is very basic operation, and it is very time consuming also. So here we propose some design, and we fabricate it automatically so that the sewing operation could get automatic, so that the four motors which are running in desired direction, the horizontal cylinder which pours the seed, as this robot consists of a funnel like arrangement. As I said earlier, it has a funnel like structure in order to pour seeds into a lower container. That's what the seeds will get a drop there. Also another operations like cutting, that two DC motors are fitted along with the cutter wheel, that it will cut the extra grown crops. And another it is robot can be further fitted with a bent plate that drags on soil to make the slots ahead of the machine before sands are poured in it. There is some fork like structures that will sow the soil. The methodology of project is that design the shape of model of a project, that we have to design those things by taking consideration taking consideration of other things like a load carrying capacity. Shape of model is to be designed from that. We have to find the actual requirements that will work in different parameters. Also we have to fabricate that components. Now advantages are very good of this, because also the so many research is done on this on this thing, but yet cost efficient machine is not yet manufactured. So easy operation and attachments we used, no electricity consumption, easy to operate. Yes, it is a robust design, not as complicated as design. Maintenance cost is comparatively very slow, and construction is also simple, that any can repair it and anyone can look into it and understand the working. So as you can see, there are two cutters attached on it, and the solar panel with some funnel-like structure for this seed robbing, and the fork-like structure is not seen because it is behind that sprayer tank. So that's it. It is a multi-operational agri robot. These are the references from the different papers, and thank you. Most welcome for questions. Thank you very much.